Big breaking news now coming in. JDS MP Prajwal Revanna, who's been accused in the Karnataka sex tapes case, has now broken his silence after a month. Prajwal Revanna, in a video, has claimed that he will appear before the SIT in Karnataka on May 31st. Remember, Prajwal Revanna has been on the run, and he now has said in this video that has come out that his trip to Germany was pre-planned. He has also apologized to his parents as well as grandparents who had asked him to return. Following the case that was registered against him, efforts were also being made to cancel his diplomatic passport, I beg your pardon. But now Prajwal Revanna has said that he's asked for 2 days time from the Karnataka SIT after a notice was issued against him to appear before the SIT. Well, that is the latest coming in at the moment. This is the video now that has come forward. We are learning now after a month that JDS MP Prajwal Revanna has been absconding. Now, he's broken his silence and said that he's going to appear before the SIT on May 31st. My colleague Pratibha also now joins us on the broadcast, getting us more on that. Pratibha, we believe this video is out. This video is going viral now, in which Prajwal Revanna is saying that he is going to appear before the SIT on May 31st, and he's asked for a few days time, 2 days time from the SIT to appear before it.
Well, in fact, according to the statement that he has made in the video, Prajwal Revanna still seems to believe that this is a political conspiracy that is being played out against him. He has also gone on to mention that this is something that drove him to depression as well as isolation. The kind of statements that he began to hear, not just from the opposition parties, but from those leaders in Hassan as well, where he has been, which is the constituency that he has been representing. And it is from his home ground where he's been hearing of a lot of statements where people have been making these statements with a deliberate attempt to sabotage his growth in the political career. And this drove him to not just depression, but even isolation. But now he has come forward to apologize before his family members, as well as the party workers, as well as the other well-wishers of his. And he has stated that he would extend extreme and full cooperation with the SIT officials by appearing before them on May 31st at 10 a.m. He has said that he would provide all the answers and would also expose the fact that this is something that is stemmed out of political conspiracy and nothing else.
But, hearing what he said in this video, Prajwal Revanna claiming that it's a conspiracy and he fell into depression after all these charges surfaced against her and the political war of words also that has been taking place here in India. He said that it is conspiracy, but now he's going to appear before the SIT on May 31st. He's clearly playing the victim card here, Pratibha. He could have had communication with the SIT earlier. He could have tried to establish contact, but he did not. For 1 month long that the authorities have been trying to find him and he's been absconding. He was nowhere to be found. He did not establish any contact, and he's clearly playing the victim card here.
Well, victim card has been something that has been played by not just Prajwal Revanna but his father as well. Remember the time that he was taken into custody by the SIT, there was a statement that was given by H.D. Revanna, the father of Prajwal Revanna, stating that this is something that has stemmed out of political conspiracy. Now, this has been the line of defense that has been maintained by both the father as well as the son. But yes, rightful questions that need to be raised at this point in time is the fact that why would Prajwal Revanna be silent despite claiming
Absolutely.
that this is something that has stemmed out of political conspiracy? And number two is, if he is that innocent, why not appear before the SIT official when the notice was actually given, which he did not really pay heed to? He did seek time, which was obviously denied by the SIT officials at that point in time. But now a lookout notice, a blue corner notice, and an arrest warrant that is issued, and finally we have a video statement that has arrived from
Yes,
Prajwal Revanna.
absolutely.
Looks like a
Those are
lot
the
of pressure
questions.
that is
Those
being
are the
mounted.
questions that arise here. Of course, why was he absconding for so long? But now this video has come out. Well, also DK Shivkumar here, Karnataka Deputy Chief Minister, has said there was a conspiracy to keep Prajwal Revanna out of India. Let's listen in to that statement there.
But there's a big conspiracy blocking him entry to the election. Central government is not cooperating with that. We can do anything in the state and India. But as far as outside is concerned, central government has to. I think already my home minister has reacted to it.
Sir,
So
going to
state
Delhi, sir?
BJP
Are you going to Delhi, sir, about the MLC list?
Party president is my bound duty, and